Hi, I'm Dr. Mesfin Mesheja, Head of Virology and Diagnostics at Opteev Technologies. I received my PhD in virology from Ben Gurion University in Israel and was a research fellow at Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore, Maryland. My team of virologists and bioengineers at Opteev are extremely proud of developing ViraWarn Plus, which provides instant and accurate detection of COVID-19 and influenza for personal spaces. Today I would like to tell you about the science behind ViraWarn. When the pandemic hit hard in early 2020, Opteev set out to develop electrical biosensor-based instantaneous screening devices to help the fight against COVID-19 pandemic. My team and I took advantage of the semiconductor-based biosensors and the nature of viruses as charge carriers. Viruses have a genetic material made of nucleic acids. These nucleic acids have a partial negative charge because of their phosphodiester bonds, and the protein code is made of amino acids that can be neutral, negative, or positive in charge. Therefore, the net charge of the virus is the cumulative charge of the genetic material in the protein. Since the surface of virus proteins are charged, we set about to look for this charge with our biosensor. In order to do this, we engineered a liquid medium which is semiconductive. When a virus particle interacts with the conductive liquid, a change in conductivity occurs. This electrical data is then analyzed by specialized artificial intelligence algorithms to decide threshold values which determine a positive or a negative result. Applying this game-changing technology, Opteev developed ViraWarn Plus. ViraWarn Plus possesses a reservoir of the specialized conductive liquid and a fan at the top of the device. Air is pulled into the device from the user's personal space. If COVID-19 or influenza particles are present, fluctuations in electrical parameters occur when those particles come in contact with the specialized liquid. That fluctuation is detected by the biosensor and analyzed by the ViraWarn AI processor. The resulting positive alert is sent to the user through a flashing red light. ViraWarn Plus is used to monitor your personal space at your desk, at work when colleagues or customers might enter your personal space, or at home on a coffee table or dining table while having visitors over. It's also a great screening tool to have near clerks who interact with many people in a day at close distance. ViraWarn Plus has been independently tested both in laboratory conditions in the US and in hospital wards in India, and has been demonstrated to work at a near 100% accuracy. ViraWarn Plus is currently available to purchase on Opteev website at www.opteev.com. If you have any questions you would like to ask me, please feel free to reach out to me directly via the Ask Dr. Mesheja form on the opteev.com website. Thank you for tuning in.